a great choice today with the 2018 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, compass, driver and front passenger heated seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, CD player, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, power windows, trip computer, security system, rear window defroster. Come take a test drive today.